Go on, ladies, get. Alright, this one's a little different. I'm going to put together this serve and store prep cart. I got paid from doing several huge jobs over the last couple of months, so I have spoiled myself and bought me a pretty sweet little cart. This is from Walmart. I had several different versions there. This was kind of the top version, and they had one that was basically just had one drawer, and this one's got several. It only had one drawer down here, so fold out tables, no lid, and that was it, no sink. And it was $100 cheaper than this one. So I thought, that's retarded. I'll spend another $100 and buy everything you see here. So I'm gonna put it together. I don't know what we're gonna run into, but we'll put it together and you can see how it is. I think it's gonna be pretty good. It's pretty heavy. This is my little cook area. I've got a grill, and then we're smoking some pork loin today. So in there was this box, that one, this stuff here, that box, that box, that box, that. This was all inside that box. So I'm going to browse the instructions and then throw it all together. Let's see, what can I set you at? I'll use my... paper towel dispenser that comes over this way. Faucet, I don't have the water hooked up to it. Over here is a Alright, so a few little pointers. Went together pretty easy. Took me about 2 hours to put it together. These are, my lid is whopper jawed. This one won't actually latch. I'll have to figure out what that is. So it was shipped overseas. It's not surprising. This pegboard is made to hold these. The hang stuff. Put these little spice doors in there. So, pretty neat little idea, concept. Get a light, you can turn off and on here. You can't see it because it's the middle of the day. Got drawers for my spatulas and stuff. Bigger drawer down there, or cabinet.
All because of a key. What? Yeah, I thought I did.
One thing I will say is it doesn't tell you what's in each box. It just tells you middle panel, and you got to dig all the panels out and figure out which one is that panel. So, might be best to take all the parts out, lay them out, and then go through and figure out what's what. So, the pictures are pretty good. It'll tell you, it gives you enough information to know what piece you're putting on. But it's not going to say open box 3 and grab the part that looks like this. It's just going to say grab this panel and install it. So interesting. I'll let you know how it goes. Pretty sturdy. It's not light, so I feel like I got my money's worth so far. We'll see. See ya.